When it comes to home improvement, few upgrades offer as much potential to enhance your property's value as window replacement. Whether you're planning to sell your Loves Park home or simply want to increase its appeal and efficiency, new windows are a smart investment. Not only do they improve your home's aesthetic and energy efficiency, but they also offer long-term benefits that can increase your property's market value. Here's how window replacement can significantly raise the value of your Loves Park property. Boosting curb appeal. Curb appeal is one of the first things potential buyers notice when they approach your home. Old, outdated windows can make a home appear rundown and uninviting, while newly replaced windows immediately enhance the exterior. Windows play a major role in the overall appearance of your home. By choosing modern, stylish windows, you give your home a fresh, updated look that can catch the eye of potential buyers and make it stand out in the competitive Loves Park market. Replacing old or damaged windows with energy-efficient, aesthetically pleasing models can transform the look of your property. Whether you opt for sleek, modern casement windows or classic double-hung windows, updated windows can completely change the vibe of your home's exterior, making it look more attractive and well-maintained. This visual upgrade can increase your home's appeal and make it more desirable to prospective buyers. Improved energy efficiency. One of the most significant benefits of window replacement is the improvement in energy efficiency. Older windows, especially those with single glazing or poor seals, can be a major source of heat loss during the winter and heat gain in the summer. This forces your HVAC system to work harder to maintain a comfortable temperature, which leads to higher energy bills. By replacing your old windows with energy-efficient models, such as those with double or triple glazing and low-E glass, you can reduce heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Not only will this make your home more comfortable, but it can also result in significant savings on your utility bills. Buyers are often drawn to homes with energy-efficient features, as these windows help reduce long-term costs, making your property more attractive and competitive in the market. Enhanced security features. Outdated windows can pose a security risk. Older windows may have weak locks, brittle glass, or worn-out seals, making it easier for intruders to break in. New windows, on the other hand, are designed with enhanced security features, such as multi-point locking systems, impact-resistant glass, and stronger frames that provide better protection for your home and family. By installing new, secure windows, you not only improve your home's safety but also provide peace of mind for prospective buyers. Homebuyers prioritize security, and a home with updated windows and modern security features will naturally appear more desirable. The added security benefits provided by window replacement can raise the value of your Loves Park property by making it a safer place to live. Increased natural light and better views. Windows are an essential part of creating a bright, airy living space. Over time, old windows can become cloudy, scratched, or even warped, blocking natural light and diminishing the view. Replacing these windows with new, high-quality models can improve both the aesthetics and functionality of your home. New windows can allow more natural light to flood into your rooms, creating a brighter, more inviting atmosphere. This not only makes your home more pleasant to live in, but can also make the space feel larger and more open. Furthermore, improved visibility from clear, modern windows allows you to take full advantage of the beautiful views that the Loves Park area has to offer. A home with plenty of natural light and beautiful views is highly desirable to buyers, making window replacement an easy way to increase your property's value. Lower maintenance costs. Old windows require regular maintenance, such as painting, sealing, and cleaning, to keep them functional. Over time, they may begin to deteriorate, leading to higher maintenance costs and potential repairs. New windows, however, are built with low-maintenance materials, such as vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum, that resist rot, warping, and fading. By replacing your old windows, you reduce the time and money spent on upkeep, making your home more cost-effective to maintain. Buyers are often drawn to homes that require less maintenance, and low-maintenance windows can make your property more appealing to potential buyers looking for a move-in ready home. Additionally, replacing old windows with durable, energy-efficient ones can extend the lifespan of your home's exterior, further adding to its value. Increased home value. All of the benefits mentioned, improved curb appeal, energy efficiency, security, natural light, and lower maintenance costs, work together to increase the overall value of your home. Homes with updated windows are often perceived as more modern, well-maintained, and energy efficient, which can make them stand out in a competitive real estate market like Loves Park. A well-executed window replacement project can result in a higher appraisal value, meaning that when you go to sell your home, you may be able to ask for a higher price. Potential buyers will recognize the investment in quality windows, understanding that they'll benefit from lower energy bills, increased security, and a more attractive home. This makes window replacement an investment that pays off both in the short term and long term, increasing the overall market value of your property. Conclusion. Window replacement is a highly effective way to increase the value of your Loves Park property. Not only do new windows improve the appearance and functionality of your home, but they also offer long-term benefits such as energy efficiency, enhanced security, and better natural light. Whether you plan to sell your home soon or simply want to improve its comfort and appeal, window replacement is a smart investment that can significantly boost your property's value and make it more attractive to potential buyers. By upgrading your windows, you're investing in a more efficient, secure, and beautiful home that will pay off in both immediate enjoyment and long-term returns.